Vector Labs Limited. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to create a weather app with the help of Flutter, in which we will learn how to create the city name, add its time, day and date, and add the current weather icon and extra information. So first open Windows PowerShell and create folder weather app. Open it in VS Code, open the weather app folder, go to library and create a folder pages. In pages create a dot home page and create another file in library, name it constants dot dot. Go to main dot and remove theme. Also remove extra classes. Remove title of my home page and remove constant. Go to home page and write the following script given on GitHub, link given in the description, and solve the problems. First we have to create our API. Go to open weather map and generate your own API. Copy it and go to constants, add constant open weather API key. Paste it in quotation marks and add a semicolon. Save it and go to pubspec.yaml. Add weather and intl. Save it and see most of the problems have been resolved. Go to main dot and rename home page. Make material app constant and rename title weather app. You can see here debug banner. Remove it, go to main dot and add debug show check mode banner, set it false. Save it and see the result. So debug banner has been removed. In main dot we imported some packages and add stateless widget, add its title and home. In pubspec.yaml we added weather and intl, and in home page we imported some packages, added stateful widget and added weather factory. In init state we added the city name and specified weather to W. In city name we can change the name. You can write it Abu Dhabi, New York or any other city. Make weather equal to W and add a widget build context and add a body build UI. It will customize our home page. In the start of page add a child circular progress indicator. It shows that our page is loading. Next add a size box and add proper width and height. Set main axis size maximum and main axis alignment center and cross axis alignment center. Then add some widgets, location header, date time info, weather icon, current temperature and extra info. Add size boxes of proper heights between the widgets. Now in widget location header, add a container and set its proper height and width. Add a box decoration and select its color black. In container add a child, text and set its city name. Then go to widget date time info. Add text, date format, hours, minutes and AM PM. Then add text style and select its color font size. Now add a size box of height 1 and add a row. Set main axis size maximum and main axis and cross axis alignment to center. Then add a text date format and write EEEE. It will represent our day. Then add its text style. Add required items and now add a new text date format and customize it. In weather icon, first add a column and set its properties. Then add a container in its children and set its height and width and customize its box decoration. Add a image, add a network image and paste its URL. Below weather icon there will be a text which shows its description. Customize its text style, set its color, font size, font weight and add a underline below the description of weather. Then go to current temperature, put it in a container, set the color and border radius of container. Then add a child text, set its reference unit, degree Celsius and set its text style. Then go to extra information which includes maximum temperature, minimum temperature, wind and humidity. In extra information add a container of proper height and width. Then add a padding to select its position on the home page. Then add a column, set main axis alignment space evenly and cross axis alignment center. In children add a row and add two texts, wind and humidity. Then add their reference units, kilometer per hour and percentage. Customize their text styles. Copy the complete row and paste it. Change the word from wind to max and humidity to minimum. It will show maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Save all the files and resolve the problems. Add constant modifier in both problems. Run and start debugging. So our weather app is ready. It is showing the city name, time, day, date, weather icon, temperature. Black color and purple color is our container. As you can also see temperature and extra information including wind, humidity, maximum temperature and minimum temperature. You can change the city name and view its current weather. So in New York, it is showing few clouds and temperature 2 degrees Celsius and also extra information. And from New York to Abu Dhabi and see its weather. So in Abu Dhabi, it is showing clear sky and temperature 28 degrees Celsius. In Philippines, it is showing blank page because we have added wrong spellings. Correct it and save. The weather in Philippines is also showing here is light rain in Philippines and temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Hope so you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get more insightful videos immediately. And share our video with your friends who want to develop their own apps easily. You can get the script from GitHub, link given in the description. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.